I'm going to tear into the door on my mom's truck here. Of course, the sun is in the wrong place for the camera, but that's okay. And my wife is banging around panels. That's also okay. See if we can't get this to recreate its problem. Oh. Okay. And up. Ah. Yeah, that window is not happy. I'll just pull the screws and we'll pull the panel off. That screw's missing. Oh, hey, I just fixed the door lock. I guess we can cross that off the list. There we go. There. See, we figured somebody had been in the door before. Aftermarket speakers. Yeah, this has never been messed with. Okay. Well, it's about to be. Alright. Bark, bark. Now I'm hoping there's just something loose in here. But that clicking kind of tells me that there's something wrong with the motor itself. Now it works perfectly fine. Oh, there we go. I'm going to reach in, grab the regulator and lift up on it ever so carefully. You gotta be very careful you don't pinch yourself. Yeah. I'm pushing up. There's down. It's like we have two downs here, so up, down, up, down, up. All right. Yeah. So, I think the conclusion we can draw there is that there's a problem with the motor. And I wonder if I have to replace the whole regulator and everything too. I think that's enough for today. Just trying to get a feel for what is actually the problem. Cool, I guess. I don't know how cool it is, but I guess it's where we're at. So, alright. So it's been a few days, but I think I have everything I need to fix the window. First thing we're going to do is tape it up. Now, this is not duct tape. This is what's called gaff tape. It's almost like a cloth material, but it won't leave a sticky film behind. So now we have to drill out the old window regulator. Now we have to drill out the rivets. I've already done one. I have a fairly decent idea as to what I'm doing now. Whoops. Oh, good. I just totally broke my drill bit. First one I did went perfectly. Fuck. As I turned the camera on, that's what happened. Yep, broke it just right. I don't want to come in here with a grinder. Where's that chisel? Is that enough for me to chisel it? Yes and no. Spin it around. There it goes. Shit. Alright. Yeah, this is fun. Ah! Of course. There we go. Of course not. There it goes. And we have one more to go. Oh, that one's going good. Actually, hang on. I can stick a punch through one of the holes. Outlet claw. Shit! What are these rivets made out of? Wow. Oh, that's the last one anyway. There we go. That should be it. I think it's just those four. That might tore up the hole a little bit. There we go. And over, down. Can I get it out without removing anything else? There we go. Get out of there. There we go. Cool. One thing is I'll have to go ahead and orient the new one into the full up position. I'll hold it out here. There we go. Full up. So one thing I realized is I gotta get new bolts into some of these holes. With the regulator in the upright position, you can't get this bolt or that bolt in, so we need to fish that in now. That one, and then that one. There we go. Now those two are captured. All right, let's get this in there. Fish in where it belongs. Shit. Come on. Come on, just a little more. There you go. There you go. All right. There we go. That is at least in position. Now, we got to get it up where it needs to go. Work on cars, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Alright, there we go. Now that's in. One's in. It's like I gotta tweak it just a little bit to get the other holes to line up. But I got that in so it won't fall anymore. Now, I suppose I gotta plug that in. Ford didn't even make this easy for themselves to do. Yeah, tweak it just a little bit to get those bolts, get those other bolt holes to line up. There we go, there we go, there we go, got it. Sorry, there's always something in the way. If it isn't my arm, it's a part of what I'm working on. It's just the joy of trying to film for YouTube. There we go. Just want to get it started so I don't lose it. The bolt, I mean. I'm sure I have already lost it. There we go. See if we can't do this. This is the one I don't know how to get to. I certainly don't know how I'm going to film getting to it. Hell, that worked. I think we are good to go. No sticky. Wad it in the ball, throw it away. Now I still got the key on. I will try it. Fixed. Now do I have to cut those for that to clear? I don't think so. Reverse of removal here. Let's plug that light in. Push that through all the way. Come on now. Go. Slip it past the door handle. Up over the lock. If you can. There we go. The other thing I was supposed to fix was the power locks, but apparently just messing with the door, and now they're working, so must have been bound up somehow. I actually had to order more screws for this because it was missing a few. And it's been my experience that when these doors rattle like crazy, it's because they're missing screws. Now there's supposed to be a screw in here, but it broke when I removed it, so that's not happening. Try it again. Not too bad. Cool. Excellent. Fixed. Well, there we go. One power window regulator replaced. Not the worst job in the world to do. It's really annoying is that that's broken. Maybe I'll fix that in a little bit. And if I do, you will see it here on Irate Garage. If you look right here, I'll pick out a different video just for you. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing. I got a few more things to do on this thing yet. Good times.